another song is dying. Double, ring the alarm, another song is crying. Ring the alarm, another, ring the alarm.
Some boy better come for me lyrically well, so me better with the mass and on the punchline. Need them song in there, come back and the blood from your jungle, so just back up and I want to tie your thing from. You full of rage, if you know what you know, but you know it can't be reggae. You push the bass way up and take no dead. Oh, come you never back. Felton, sing with me right now, come on.
Ring the alarm, another song is dying. Oh, ring the alarm, another song is dying. Oh, yeah, ring the alarm. Oh, ring the alarm. Yeah, baseline.
Are you feeling? This is the original rubber dub style, straight from Kingston, Jamaica to Felton, and close to Santa Cruz. What you mean by that, Papa Albert?
Wait.
Real ragamuffins and old boys all around the place, you see. Rastafari there to the four corners of the earth, and this message of peace, love and unity. And I will not get tired to sing that, but we need love and unity. Watch me now. Drum. Make some noise. This is reggae music. Reggae from Kingston, Jamaica. This is the drum. This is the heartbeat. This is the blood going through the vein. Flow the blood. Flow it. Make some noise, Felton! Play the rhythm section. Listen. Can you feel the rhythm on your man? Tonight, right here in Felton, you listen to reggae music straight from Kingston, Jamaica.
Ring the alarm, another song is crying. Ring the alarm, another song is crying.